Cinéma vérité.
Come into my private space and die! Yeah, that's what this guy did last night. Last fucking night, he did that. And he attacked me with a metal fucking whip.
Don't steal my shit! Leave us to go!
I didn't touch your shit. I don't need your shit. I'm not homophobic. You're a fucking bald white supremacist in a bomber jacket.
Dumbass!
I didn't call you nigger. Motherfucker.
Have fun, image of God.
This ain't your house,
She's
nigga.
blasphemous. Not only that, but the 5 cents.
Who destroyed whose shit?
I'm destroying all your shit.
Who destroyed whose shit?
I kind of know what to do though. Bro.
That's right, this motherfucker. He destroyed my shit. He attacked me with a metal fucking whip. He's destroyed my shit. Call the fucking police.
Nope, I'm taking this one down too now.
Yeah, and that's why you're going to jail, you dumb
I'm
fuck.
really not.
You racist, white supremacist motherfucker! Get the fuck away from my shit before you get your ass kicked! I was not in your fucking tent! I wouldn't go in your fucking tent! But I will drag your shit onto the beach, motherfucker! So walk away! Walk away, cause your shit is going in the fucking ocean next! Call the fucking police! Psycho fucking cunt! Dead fucking cunt! Dead motherfucker! Get the fuck away from my dog, you fucking dumb fuck! Get the fuck away! Yeah, go ahead. I can't get arrested! I can't get arrested because I'm a fucking
Stay out of my fucking shit! Stay out of my tent!
I can't get arrested. Your shit's going in the ocean, motherfucker.
I come back with 3
Your
people!
shit's going in the ocean.
People.
Your shit is going in the ocean. In your body.
Bitch!
Damn
Put
fuck.
the cock in your cock
Oh, is this how you get attention? Oh, I'm a tranny. Let me fucking assault women.
Tranny?
Yes,
What?
that's what you're saying.
I'm a man,
fucking
baby.
tranny.
You want
Watch
proof?
me assault women. Watch me assault women.
Woo!
Fuck the fuck.
That's off of you.
For that.
You stole my shit.
I didn't steal your fucking shit.
did, actually.
I don't need
Yeah.
your fucking trash. You fucking
Oh,
dumb fuck.
Trash.
I don't need your
That's
trash.
disgusting.
I fucking
Says
ripped your
Chester. How you doing, bro? Nice
tent
to
because you did this to me last night.
Did what?
Oh,
Did
this
what?
guy talks to you?
What?
Do you pay him? Do
What,
you
Mary?
fucking pay him?
Clean up the mess, Miriam.
Go to fucking hell, you dead
Clean up the
fuck.
mess, Miriam.
You're dead. You're fucking dead.
Clean up the mess.
Racist fuck.
Nobody wants you here,
Dead
Miriam.
fucker.
No one wants you here, Miriam.
Dead man walking.
You necrosis.
Dead man walking.
You
You're
necrophilic,
dead.
pedophile.
You're a fucking
Weirdo.
rapist.
You're fucking
You're
weirdo.
metal rods
You're a
and people.
weirdo. You're a stalker.
Metal
You're
rod.
fucking
Women are getting raped. Metal rod. Dead. Dead. You're fucking rapist. You think it's fucking funny? You think it's funny this guy is camping on the hill and attacking your fucking patrons? You think it's fucking funny?
That's why you don't do it.
I didn't steal your fucking shit. I didn't steal your fucking shit. 3 witnesses that I ripped your tent out of you. Call the fucking police. You're done. You're a racist white supremacist. Racist white supremacist. Attack my fucking dogs. Dude, attack me with a metal fucking whip. Oh yeah, I'm retarded.
I come back, three my neighbors.
Lady, this fucking lady fucking wants to sex all day while they fucking attack your
Fucking yo.
Fuck this cow, bro. We all had enough shit. Enjoy your meals, bro. I apologize on my behalf and hers for this thing. I really do.